Hi everyone, back to a new awesome video, and today we are going to continue with our sorts about the derivative formulas. Today we will treat the division rule. However, not as always, we're not going to use our definition of derivative. We're going to use the product rule we learned on the last video. So, f prime of x is going to be equal to the derivative of the first term, h prime of x, times the second term, 1 over d of x. And now we have to take plus h of x, the first one, and the derivative of 1 over g of x. We know that this is equal to d dx of j of x, g of x to the minus 1. And we know that the derivative of that is, let's rewrite everything we had from before, minus h of x over g of x squared times the derivative, which is g prime of x. Now that we know this, we can put everything together as h prime of x times g of x minus h of x times g prime of x, all divided by g of x squared, just as the division rule says.